Hi, I'm Avleen Kokar. Today I'll talk about our brand Cha Wellness and Spa products. If you see the complete range, all the products are from Thailand and they are basically spa and Ayurveda based concepts and a lot of new modalities focusing energy, nature, Ayurveda with science. So, for example, I wanted to show you one beautiful product, which is a massage candle. You have to just light it, सिर्फ जलाइए. You can keep it in your shower, bathroom में, किसी भी manicure, pedicure, body treatment के साथ. Light it and just wait for a while. The wax will melt. But the wax here is not paraffin wax, it's a soya wax. So you have to just take some of the wax on the hand and massage it. So this is an awesome product, and similarly we have multiple products, many products ranging for specific treatments, skin treatments, hair treatments, body treatments. Also we are teaching a lot of spa modalities. First time in India, this academy will be accredited to Thai School of Spa, and we would be talking about mind therapies, we'll be talking about reflexology, acupressure, energy work, crystal therapies, and everything used from the Cha Wellness and Spa is basically Ayurveda blends only. So you can go through a lot of products are there. Some are for retail, some are for home treatment plans, some are for specific salon treatments, some are body butters, shea butters. Everything is actually based on actives, and everything is designed in different concepts.
On the behalf of Dyna International, I just introducing my new series of the makeup. ये फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया के अंदर है जो कि मिनरल मेकअप लॉन्च हुआ है. दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया. मिनरल मेकअप है जिसके अंदर 0.01% भी केमिकल नहीं है. ये टोटली खनिज से बेस है, मिनरल से बेस है. और यदि कोई भी इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी जानना चाहता है तो वह हमारी वेबसाइट www.dynainternational.com पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकता है. थैंक यू.
Hi, this is Shubham Virmani from SK Beauty Resources, and we are participating at Professional Beauty Expo New Delhi, and you can see our booth. We are showcasing various international brands. We supply to salons and spas all across the country, and in this booth we are showcasing various brands. So the first brand that we are showcasing, the new brand that we are launching over here is Macadamia Hair from USA, and we have the Mr. Jean from the company who will be talking about the brand. What is it? It's an excellent brand in hair.
Macadamia is in 115 countries. We started in 2009. We know there are a lot of oils in India, and we're very proud, by the way, that SK will be our new distributor. But our oil is really a big difference with other oils. It's a mix of macadamia oil with argan oil, and that makes it very special. It's non-greasy, not fat, not very oily, what a lot of oils have. And again, we're very proud to be here and to introduce it in India with you guys from SK Beauty.
Thanks, John. And we also have our own team, our director educator, Ms. Ishika Virmani, who will be talking about the entire concept of SK Beauty Resources, how we educate across the country.
Hi. So at SK Beauty Resources, we really take pride in educating everybody regarding the beauty industry, training them properly and telling them how to properly use the product in a much more professional way.
Exhibition, as I told you, we are showcasing various international brands. Moving on, first I would like to showcase you Rika Wax. Today, Rika, this brand, if you can see, has been a trendsetter when it comes to waxing in the country. We have about 8 flavors in Rika Wax, and it's a concept of liposoluble waxes, which is very, very new and different. Today, all the top salons and spas across the country are using this product. This is the complete information, and then this is the wax. It's flavored waxes. The packaging is very elegant and attractive, and it makes a complete blend with excellent, and it goes along with the best salons and spas. Rika is also into their hair color line, so they have the various concepts of hair colors as well as hair care shampoos and conditioners. So the concept is it is 95 to 98% natural ingredients. If you see over here, it has a blend of all the natural ingredients. It has volcanic water, marigold flower extracts, licorice, beeswax, jojoba oil, keratin extracts, and many other ingredients. So the next brand we are talking about is Casmara Skincare from Spain. Now, in facials, you must have seen the algae peel-off mask that people apply. Casmara was the first company in the world to come up with this concept in 1974, and they are experienced, and they are about 35 years old company in worldwide, and Casmara products today are sold in more than 100 countries. Now, if you look at, it's a very luxurious concept, and they have any salon who wants to add facial cleanup, complete prestige facials or facial treatments, then this brand is for them. And they have their own exclusive brandings. They have the entire range of facials, the cleansers. Then they have this complete new masks. Casmara masks are popular worldwide, and in this exhibition we are launching a new product, which is the Casmara Gold Mask 2080. Then Casmara is also into home care products, and then this is a concept that we will be showcasing, a luxury facial concept. So you have Goji facials, then you have skin sensations, and then you have Nakar, which is for lightening and pigmentation.
Hi, I'm from SK. My name is Nidhi Singh, and I'm just introducing the nail polishes, that is China Glaze. So China Glaze nail polishes, really high quality nail polishes from USA.
Hi, I'm Ankit Birmani, the director of SK Beauty Resources, and we are very proud to have a booth in Professional Beauty Show. In this show, we are showcasing some of our international brands. Few you already have seen. We are already also showcasing you our IBD Just Gel collection. This is a new product that we have launched, and it is all about permanent gel polishes and permanent nail paints that we are covering. It's a brand from US and one of the best sellers in the world. Another new launch that we have introduced in this concept is the concept of China Glaze polishes. It is another brand from US, and in this brand we have about 150 colors of polishes. It is one of the leading brands in the world, and we are launching it in the salons across the country. Their lashes is again one of the best sellers, so we have basically most of the brands we choose are the best sellers in the world. So we have a collection of natural human hair lashes that can be used for daily makeup. We have the runway, we have the edgy, we have the color impact lashes, which enhances the color of the eyes. Then we have the edgy, the natural look. We have the runway, which is for the models and for the shows. Then we have glues, which are latex based and are very, very natural. There is no harm that can happen to your eyes while using these lashes.
Hi, my name is Priyanka, and I represent this brand called Star Nail and Cuccio in India, and we have a lovely range of over 1,200 products for hands and feet.
International brands are present in this exhibition.
In this exhibition, only 2 international brands are there. One is Lure Nails, because we are partners for Star Nail International and Cuccio and Sina Pro from the US, and one is of course OPI. That's a good brand.
Star Nail, where is this brand from?
Star Nail is a 100% US brand. It is present in 132 countries, and since the past 2 years, it's blessed Indians all here to revolutionize actually the nail industry, which till now people have not been able to see the international standard. Now they will.
What is the basic difference between temporary and permanent filler?
Well, we are into a lot of products. Star Nail Cuccio Cinapro has over 1,200 products spread over 3 brands. So, from permanent colors to salon professional use products, from a 3-step manicure to a 12-step manicure, something you can only find with Star Nail and Cuccio.
Now, what is the minimum time required for this training?
ट्रेनिंग इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. अभी तक आज की मार्केट में लोग कहते हैं 2 दिन में ट्रेन कर देंगे, 3 दिन में ट्रेन कर देंगे. कोई भी 2 दिन या 3 दिन में नेल्स में ट्रेन नहीं कर सकता. ट्रेनिंग इज, जैसे आपने पूछा, ट्रेनिंग बहुत ही ज़रूरी पार्ट है. वी ओनली ट्रेन ऑन स्टार नेल मॉड्यूल एंड द ट्रेनिंग, बेसिक ट्रेनिंग इज़ 5 days and then advanced training is about 10 days and then there's a diploma course for a month. इतना टाइम लग जाता है आपको प्रॉपरली ट्रेन करने में.
And what is the meaning of international certification?
Well, international certification, very good question. International certification सब कहते हैं, हम यहाँ का सर्टिफिकेशन देते हैं, वहाँ का सर्टिफिकेशन देते हैं. मेरा एक ही सवाल है सब लोगों से कि आपको अगर इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए तो आप क्या नहीं जानना चाहते कि वो इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन कहाँ से आ रहा है? क्योंकि हम सर्टिफाई करते हैं स्टार नेल से. स्टार नेल, जैसे मैंने बताया, 132 कंट्रीज़ में है. आप कहीं भी जाएंगे ट्रेनिंग स्टैंडर्ड एक ही है. सर्टिफिकेशन वहाँ से आता है. टोनी कुचियो इस कंपनी के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हैं, वो साइन करते हैं. डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन यूएस साइन करते हैं और हम साइन करते हैं इंडिया में. सो इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन इज़ अ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, जो कि यहाँ सब लोग बोलते हैं कि हम कर रहे हैं पर करता कोई नहीं एक्चुअली. एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी. Lure Nails, which is a Star Nail partner, has launched its training academy in Gurgaon. It's the first actual international training academy. आपको वहाँ 5 दिन, 10 दिन डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज सबकी ट्रेनिंग मिल जाएगी. They've launched a beautiful kit, which is a Star Nail kit, which is actually not expensive. People are selling kits for 20,000, which are local kits. Please come here, buy the original kit, which is for 8,500. It's a student kit, and get an advanced kit for 10,000. They've also launched this product, which is a 1-coat wonder. Cuccio color एक ही कोट में प्रॉपर नेल कलर की गारंटी देता है. Cuccio color veneer is a permanent gel polish. This is present for in 80 shades. Cuccio color here is present in 103 shades, and of course more to count. Please come over. Go to the website, go to www.lurenails.com to know more about Star and Cuccio in India. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Gurpreet Sibal. Everybody in India knows me as the person who brought nails to India. As a pioneer, I have worked 10 years to get this nail industry to a big start in India. We are doing a lot in nails. It's difficult to explain everything, but we have 11 locations and 3 academies, Delhi, Pune and Kolkata. And we're looking forward to an explosion in nails. And I will welcome everybody who wants to join this industry for big revenue and big time return.
Real Wolf is a British brand. We are launching in India, so everything we have here is new. We are a 3-year-old company in the UK. We are very excited to be here in India. We are a very boutique company, very niche. Our products are excellent. People in the UK love it. And we know India is ready for a luxury product like we do. So here we are, showing off our goods and the products to India. We've met excellent people and the response has been fantastic.
myself Nirmal Randhawa, Director, NR School of Beauty. Today we are in Professional Expo. I have given one show, Noor Hijab, the crystal bridal makeups. Now we have our academy in Rohini. It has 3 branches, Ranibagh, Rohini and Indrapuram. So I am running this school from last 5 years. I am running my salons from last 30 years. Makeup is my passion. My academy is affiliated with SIPTech. Now we have launched our product as the name of NR Professional Palettes. I have given the tools to the industry to do good makeup. We have the neutralizer to neutralize the skin. We have the makeup palettes to all kind of skins, and we have the gel liners that will not smudge for 24 hours. We have a good lipsticks palettes and the cake eyeliners and the shimmer powders. My website is www.nrschoolof.com.
Hello everybody, my name is Neha Modi and I'm the director of TEM2 India. Hello everybody, my name is Neha Modi and I'm the director of TEM2 India. TEM2 airbrush makeup जो है वो इस दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी एयरब्रश मेकअप कंपनी है। जो TEM2 के प्रोडक्ट्स है वो सारे यूएस में बनते हैं। न्यूयॉर्क में हमारी हेड ऑफिस है। हमारे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स सिलिकॉन बेस्ड है, तो जो मेकअप है वो 24 घंटे लास्ट करता है, इसलिए इंडियन वेदर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। ब्राइडल मेकअप, फैशन मेकअप, पोर्टफोलियो शूट्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज के लिए TEM2 एयरब्रश मेकअप इज़ द बेस्ट मेकअप। अभी करंटली हम एक लाइव डेमो दिखा रहे हैं जिसमें हमारी जो हेड आर्टिस्ट है मिस नेहा भारद्वाज, वो एक ब्राइडल लुक करके दिखा रही हैं एयर ब्रश से कैसे पूरा मेकअप किया जा सकता है। बेस, ब्लश, हाइलाइटर, कॉन्टोरिंग, आई मेकअप, आईब्रोज, लिप्स, आप सब कुछ एयर ब्रश मेकअप से कर सकते हैं। एंड ये जो मेकअप है इसके लिए आपको फिक्सिंग स्प्रे नहीं चाहिए, पाउडर्स नहीं चाहिए, अपने आप में ये 24 घंटे लास्ट करता है। ये वाटर से एक्टिवेट नहीं होता, ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं होता। सो इट्स अमेजिंग एंड अमेजिंग फॉर इंडियन वेदर एंड इट्स ग्रेट फॉर एवरीबडी टू यूज़ इट। स्किन में रिएक्ट नहीं होता। और आपको अगर और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं www.temptuindia.com, या फिर आप हमारे फेसबुक पे भी जा सकते हैं। फेसबुक पेज का नाम है TEM2 India। थैंक यू।
I'm Rajiv from Enkeliman Life Sciences Limited. Our products are end-user products, moisturizing lotion, sunscreen, foot cream, which we want to promote through beauty parlors. We will be giving certain discount to the beauty parlors. And then to promote our products, for the first time we have introduced the sample kits. These are sample of our products, which will be given free of cost to the beauty parlors so that they can give it to their prospective customers for the promotion of the products. And then, yes, if the customer demands, the product will be available with them with a 30% margin to the beauty parlors. This is moisturizing lotion of 100 ml pack, जो कि आपको पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए आप देंगे अपने कस्टमर को. Similarly, we have a face wash, 160 ml. We have a foot cream, जो कि आप कस्टमर को दे सकते हैं उनके यूज़ के लिए. और एज आई सेड, हम आपको प्रमोशन के लिए प्रमोशनल सैम्पल्स देंगे जो कि आप अपने कस्टमर को दीजिए, कस्टमर यूज़ करे और फिर आपके पास आके डिमांड करे प्रोडक्ट के लिए। इसके अलावा हम लोग कस्टमाइज़ भी करते हैं। वी आर इनटू एक्सपोर्ट टू मेनी कंट्रीज़। अगर आप मार्केट से फीडबैक मिलेगा कि कोई नया प्रोडक्ट आप डेवलप करना चाहें तो वो भी हम प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हैं।